it's Sam with WTI. All right, if you are looking to simplify your life, maybe you're looking to become a little more eco-friendly, or just cut back on some paper and desk clutter, this is a wonderful option. This is called MC Squares. So it is a wet erase marker board, and it's very cool. It comes in a college ruled legal pad on the front. Here are the lines, if you can see. On the back, it is a plain slate. It is not very thick. It's pretty thin. It's hard. So what you do, it's very unique. It comes with a special marker. These are called wet erase markers. You write on the paper. You let it dry. Not very long, maybe 30 seconds. After it's dry, it's completely smudge free. And if you want to remove it, it's as simple as using water. So easy, right? You put some water on a paper, paper towel, microfiber, anything like that, and it comes right off so easily. So if you are looking to become more eco-friendly or simplify your life, this is something you have to try, and that's my point of view.